There are only a few reasons that unite us in this college full of diversity: our honorable principal, cricket, terrorism, and Bhartiyam. People often mistake Bhartiyam to be just a college fest. For Bhartiyans, it means more. It's our passion, our pride, our determination, our hard work, our defeats, our victories, our war, and our glory. Today, we invite you to the journey of a lifetime. As the year begins, a walk through these corridors changes from the dull, slow stroll to the classrooms to a pumped up jog to here, the Bhartiyam office. Though I call it the kitchen because that's where it's all cooked. Living up to the standard of being the biggest college event in Pune doesn't always come easy. So, what seems like a scene of complete chaos is actually people trying to get things done. But every army of such energetic youth needs a king. So let's go and meet the king. In this case, our principal.
Really, it's very matter of pride for me that college is celebrating the Silver Jubilee function and followed by the Bhartiyam 2000. It shows the creativity of the students of this engineering college. And years together, this program has established its reputation among all the technical colleges. And I wish all the best to my students and pass on this my message to the students that I am proud of all of you because of your excellent technical abilities. Thank you.
But if the king has the stick, it's this man here who makes it swing. Again, in this case, the Bhartiyam in charge. So after meeting the people who decide what's to be done and how it's to be done, let's go and meet the people who actually get it done. Let's go to the kitchen again. So here we are. About 500 students have slogged for almost 2 months to make sure everything falls in the right place at the right time. 500 students divided in 13 teams. There are some things money can't buy. Bhartiyam, though, requires many that it can. So let's start with people who get it for us, the marketing team. This team probably does the most difficult work amongst us all, getting people to shill some money. And like every time, they did their job with absolute professionalism. But while the marketing team gets all the credit for every sponsor you can see on the posters, our unsung heroes are the public relation team. These people are always off the hook. I mean, the phone in the kitchen is always off the hook thanks to them. They make all the calls that get us the deals, and many more that don't. Anyways, to the left of the PR is the web designing team. I call it the team of the cool geeks. They form the face of Bhartiyam on internet and get us many online entries. If computers could have replaced paper totally, we wouldn't have had the editorial team. They designed the college magazine called Genre, which compiles the creative best of students and teachers of this college. They work really hard, making sure Genre has the right combination of yellow pages, Sunday Times, and Khushwant Singh's joke book. Alright, before they edit my lifespan, let's move to the treasurer team. The treasure head is probably the richest student of this college during Bhartiyam. The huge responsibility of managing all the money that flows in and accounting for every single penny that flows out lies with him. The irony of this post is immense resources with almost no authority to spend it. And now to my personal favorite, the team responsible for our attendance. Trust me, this team is the most sought after of all, simply because the future of all of us lies in their hands. No wonder the heads of this team make heads turn every time they enter the kitchen. Speaking of turning things, let's turn back from the kitchen to visit the ever so isolated creative team. Their job? Well, animate Bhartiyam. They decorate the entire college with posters which actually mood us to the fest. Extremely gifted people who can make even the most mundane things look good. Well, the people who just took my chair were the infrastructure people. Their job is to make everything available after the requirement has expired. They keep the lockers locked so that nobody can put anything in them. Of course, there's nothing useful to be taken out. but still somehow they make things work here. Yeah. Okay, you can come and register tomorrow. Oh, I'm sorry. That was somebody from MIT willing to participate in Torsion, one of our events. But why didn't he call the publicity team? That's them. What's a college fest without students? This team makes sure we have plenty. About 6,000 participants from colleges across the nation, all thanks to the publicity people. So you can probably blame them for the chaos in the last 3 days. It's not just students that converge to this road during Bharatiyam. Some of the most distinguished people from the social circuit grace us with their presence. To felicitate such special people, we have the very special felicitation team. The USP of this team? Good looking girls. Radio City 91.1 FM, what a fun! Hope Radio City gives me a job after that, cause nobody else is willing. Well, that's how Bharatiyam is gonna reach the masses. And the team that made it happen is the media team. Constituted for the first time to give our college its Silver Jubilee coverage, this team roped in Radio City, CNBC Awaaz and BBC World and made sure that people sit up and take notice of what's gonna hit them. The most awaited event in Bharatiyam is our cultural night. After all, we have some of the best performers in Pune's college circuit. These people, who have probably won everything they take part in, belong to our art circle team. From Metallica to Jagjit Singh, from Shamak Davar to Hema Malini, we have a replacement for all of them. Statutory warning: watching these people perform might just make you fall in love with them. Array, these people who came out from nowhere is my team, the promotion and presentation team. Another first-timer bunch of desperate directors and editors. This team captured the moments that made this event timeless. 16 creative minds sat together to create on-screen magic in the form of teasers and short films, one of which is this. So if you like our work, I'm standing just outside. And if you don't, the rest of the team is just behind you. It's amazing how you never want an ice cream scoop or a slice of cheesecake to finish. But it has to, and so will this presentation. After all, what's a road that doesn't end on a milestone? So as I leave you with the cherished memories of everything that built up Bharatiyam, I invite you to enjoy the taste of ecstasy that the next few hours are gonna bring. After all, every new beginning comes from some other beginning's end.
Why are you so serious?
3-4 दिनों से सोया नहीं हो यार, बैठ रही है बहुत काम कर यार, अब बैटरी खत्म हो जाती है आज।
प्रॉक्सीज की क्या फ्रीक्वेंसी है?
प्रॉक्सीज बिल्कुल नहीं लगती मेरे को, बस शूटर बैटरी नहीं है वहाँ से शूट कर
कैमरे का हमें बताया।
बैटरी खत्म कर दे तो उसकी, ठीक है, फिर रोना क्या